Hello students. So today we will do the exercise of chapter 6 determiners. Worksheet 2. Put many or much before the following words. Many with countable nouns and much with uncountable nouns. So many books, much milk, much coffee, many cows, much information, many carrots, much food, many children, many cars, much rice, many chairs, much work. We use many before countable nouns and much before uncountable nouns. Now list the words and their determiners under the two headings. You will write here countable with many and uncountables with much, like many books, many cows, many carrots, many chairs, many children, many cars. Same as much food, much rice, much work, much milk, much information, much coffee. Now worksheet 3. Imagine your mother is busy for a party and you have to go to the store to do some shopping. The following leaflet tells you what all is available at the store. On your diary page given below, pen down everything that you need from there. So there are many things here. There is a leaflet. On 5th floor, you will get furniture. 4th floor, audio CDs, books, stationery, toys. 3rd floor, menswear, sportswear, sports equipments. 2nd floor, towels, curtains, pillow covers, sheets, hankies, socks, ties, hand napkins. 1st floor, toiletries, toothbrushes, soaps, oils, shampoos, cosmetics, lipstick, nail polish, mascara, liner. Ground floor, fabrics, jewelry, hats, gloves, toffees, china and glassware. Basement, pulses, tomato puree, matchboxes, candles, jam, pickles, straws, needles, threads, etc. So you will write according to the given determiners. A few blank audio CDs, a few pillow covers, a lot of hand napkins, plenty of straws, some china and glassware, some candles, a little jam or pickle. In the A.3 A True Friend Unit Sports of My English Reader, even though Rahul has become a good student, he has not changed his eating habits. Study carefully the sweets and junk food eaten by Rahul in the year 2014 compared to the year 2013. So there is list of some eatable things or sweets or junks, and this is the list of eaten things during 2003 and in 2014. So toffees, he has eaten toffees, 200 toffees in 2013 and 208 in 2014. 58 chocolate bars, 65 chocolate bars. 28 packets Lay's, 28 packet Lay's. 42 bottles Coke, 41 bottles Coke. Ice cream cups or bar 18 and in 2014 38. So there is a lot of difference in some things. Now use words from the box given below and make sentences. The first one has been done for you. We have to use these given determiners: much, more, a few or a little, the same number of, many, plenty. Rahul ate more toffees in 2014 than in 2013. He ate plenty of chocolate bars in 2014 than in 2013. He ate the same number of Lays in 2013 and 2014. He drank more Coke in 2013 than in 2014. He ate plenty of ice cream cups in 2014 than in 2013. Now do it yourself. Circle the correct answer. There aren't many people on the road. There are a few newspapers on the table. There are plenty of mangoes available in summer season. A lot of people gathered at the accident site. Read the letter that Ritu has written to her parents from Kashmir. She has forgotten to fill in some parts of the letter. Help her to complete the letter. Hello. Kashmir is a beautiful place. There are many good places worth visiting. The Dal Lake is more beautiful than I had thought. There are a lot of hotels, but very few are good enough to stay in. I have made many friends here. Rest when I reach home. Your loving daughter, Ritu. Fill in the blanks using many or much. Many books are scattered on the floor. There is not much milk left in the container. The farmer has many horses in his stable. I do not have much information about his whereabouts. We need many chairs for the party. So students, this is our last chapter of first term practice book. So we will do revision after this. Then we will do exercise of reader book also.